The gut test is a way to help stakeholders articulate their tastes to help you explore appropriate design directions. You'll gain a rapid consensus on where your designs should or shouldn't go, and here's how to do it. First, you need to do some groundwork. Start scouring the web to collect 20 strong candidates of aspirational design. Remember to include some jokers in the pack. These provide lots of insight as they elicit strong reactions, good or bad. And don't limit yourself to screen design either. You can show things like interior design, architecture, or movie posters. Finally, add the screen grabs into a Keynote or PowerPoint deck. For each slide, assign a letter from the alphabet, so first slide is A, second is B, and so on, and make sure this is clearly placed on each slide. Also, make sure each slide of your deck is set to show for only 20 seconds. That's how this test gets its name. Now it's workshop time. Print a score sheet for each stakeholder and make sure you have pens they can write with. Explain the workshop to your stakeholders. Each image will show for only 20 seconds. The score sheets will have 20 rows, each assigned a letter of the alphabet. On these rows is a Likert scale with a range of 1 to 5, where 1 has a stakeholder strongly disliking the screen shown, and 5 has a stakeholder strongly liking. Your stakeholders will mark each screen with their preference. The 20 seconds for each slide enforces the most visceral or gut reaction to aesthetics shown on screen. It's intentionally short and snappy. Now comes the number crunching. After the deck plays out, collect the sheets and quickly calculate the results. Use this time for a 5 to 10 minute break for your workshop. Using a spreadsheet, or just use the one we provide as part of this tiny lesson, add up each slide's score from your stakeholders. You're looking for the average score for each slide shown. This will give you the most liked and the least liked design. Now comes the fun part. As a group, discuss what was liked and what wasn't. A trick we do at ClearLeft is to go back through the slides during the break and change the color of the most and least liked. Being able to show which designs the group preferred makes it easier to talk about them. Like most workshops, the important part here is the discussion. Understanding your group's collective choices is what will drive your project's overall design direction. The 20-second gut test should help you establish a clear course that incorporates your client's preferred aesthetic, plus highlight any design choices that you might want to avoid. Chances are you'll hit the right direction faster than if you simply started exploring from scratch. Plus, it's given your stakeholders a much-needed voice of their own stylistic preferences.